Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss the few more questions related to the mole concept. The mole concept has been discussed in my previous video. The link of the video is given in the description box, you can see it. So now I am going to solve the few questions. See the first question, how many gram atoms are there in one atom? So you have to find out that how many gram atoms are present in one atom. So in 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, we have 1 gram atom which is equal to 1 mole, or you can say 1 atom is equal to 1 upon this one. The main important thing you have to know that this is also equal to 1 gram atom or 1 mole. So 1 atom will be equal to this one if we divide it. This is simple one. Sometimes in the few questions this value is asked, so you can remember it also that in any compound the weight of one atom is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. See the next one. From 200 milligram of carbon dioxide, 10 to the power 21 molecules are removed. How many grams and moles of CO2 are left? अब देखो बेटा, इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन देके घबराना नहीं. हमें रिमूव करना है कि 200 मिलीग्राम्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दी हुई है. 10 टू द पावर 21 मॉलिक्यूल्स आर रिमूव्ड. तो अगर हम पहले इसका निकालें कि जो रिमूव हुए हैं इसका क्या वेट होगा, है ना. तो आप इस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए आप ये देखो बेटा कि 44 ग्राम्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड किसके बराबर होता है, 1 मोल के बराबर. एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 मॉलिक्यूल्स. तो अगर हम 10 to the power 21 मॉलिक्यूल्स का वेट निकाल लें तो कितना होगा, इट इज इक्वल टू 44 into 10 to the power 21 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now, since it is given in milligrams, we can convert this gram into milligram also, 10 to the power 3 milligram. So, it comes out to be 73.05 milligrams. So, we can say that weight of carbon dioxide left will be equal to 200 minus 73.05 milligram. So comes out to be 126.9 milligram. Convert it into grams. So it will be 0.1269 grams. Now our basic concept, that is 44 grams of carbon dioxide is equal to 1 mole, because it is asking how many grams and moles of CO2 are left. So 44 grams of CO2 is equal to 1 mole. So 0.1269 grams will be equal to how many moles? क्योंकि इतने ही तो हमारे पास लेफ्ट हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. So 1 upon 44 into 0.1269 comes out to be 0.0028 moles. 0.0028 moles. So just by having the basic concept, we can solve this problem. Now the next one, number of chloride ion and calcium ions in 222 grams of anhydrous calcium chloride. Anhydrous means we don't have any water of crystallization associated with it, so it is in the anhydrous form. So the first main important task is to calculate its molecular mass of calcium chloride. It is equal to 40 plus 35.5 into 2. That comes out to be 111 grams. Now, when we have to calculate the chloride and calcium ions, this means this calcium and chloride ions are dissociated. So, it is dissociated in this form. Calcium chloride breaks up as calcium 2 plus ions and 2 times of Cl minus ions. Now here, if 1 mole of calcium chloride is used, then here also we are having the 1 mole. But since here we are getting the double Cl minus ion, so we can say we are getting the 2 moles of Cl minus ions. So in general we can say that 1 grams of calcium chloride has 1 mole of calcium ions. So 222 grams of 222 grams of calcium chloride will have 2 moles of calcium ions. समझ में आया? कैसे आया बेटा? 1/111 कैसे आया बेटा? 1/111 into 222. So it comes out, it is with the 2 times. So we get the 2 moles. Now for Cl minus ions, you see 111 grams of calcium chloride gives 2 moles of chloride ions. So 222 grams of calcium chloride will give you 2/111 into 222. So we get 4 moles of chloride ion. Now this is the number of moles. Now in the question it is asking about the number of calcium ions and the number of chloride ions. So the number of calcium ions will be number of calcium ions is equal to हम mole into Na पढ़ते आ रहे हैं हम. How many moles are there? It is how many moles are there? 2 into Na, and number of chloride ions, it is equal to 4 into Na. So we can solve this question. Now see this question. Calculate the number of moles of each of the following. It's a very simple question. Grams of carbon dioxide means that since in 44 grams of CO2 we have is equal to 1 mole. So 11 grams will be equal to 1/44 into 11. It will be 0.25 mole. Similarly, 3.01 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of carbon dioxide. We know 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 means 1 mole. So 3.01 into 10 to the power 22 will be equal to 0.05 mole, half mole. 1.1 liters of carbon dioxide at STP, 22.4 liters is equal to 1 mole. So 1.12 will be equal to 1/22.4 into 1.12 is equal to 0.05 moles. Now the next one. What is the volume occupied by 1 CCl molecule at 20 degrees Celsius? Density of CCl4 is 1.6 grams per ml at 20 degrees centigrade. Now, so see, since CCl4 is a liquid, CCl4 is a liquid. So molecular weight of CCl4 is 12 plus 4 into 35.5, that comes out to be 154 grams. Now 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CCl4 has mass 154 grams. So one molecule will have the mass of 154 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That comes out to be, we solve it, 25.56 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. This is the weight of one molecule. Now, volume. Since in the question it is asking what is the volume occupied. So, volume of one molecule is equal to Mass upon density. And what is the mass? Mass is what we have calculated. 25.56 into 10 to the power minus 23 divided by its density given in the question. So when we solve it, we will get the answer. When we solve it, we will get the answer 1.598 into 10 to the power minus 22 milliliter, or you can say it is in the centimeter cube. Now read the next one. How many grams of copper nitrate would you need to take to get 1 gram of copper? Given the atomic masses of the copper, nitrogen and oxygen. First calculate the molar mass of copper nitrate. So molar mass of copper nitrate is equal to 63.5 plus 2 times of 14 plus 3 into 16. That comes out to be, if we solve it out, 187.5 grams. Now, copper nitrate dissociates to give 1 mole of copper. So, 1 mole of copper nitrate will be giving 1 mole. But here, what is the difference? Here, 187.5 grams gives 63.5 grams of copper. So, in the question, we need to get the 1 gram of copper. So, you can write down that is 63.5 grams of copper can be obtained by 187.5 grams of copper nitrate. So, 1 gram of copper will be obtained by 187.5 grams divided by 63.5 grams, and we will get 2.9 grams approximately. Now, the next one. The volume of a drop of water is 0.04 milliliter. How many H2O molecules are there in a drop of water? Density is equal to 1 grams per ml. In this type of the questions, it is a simple one. First of all, you say that the volume of 1 drop of water is equal to 0.04 ml. So, weight of 1 drop of water. अब एक बूंद पानी का वजन कितना होगा? Volume into density. What is the volume? 0.04. यही हमें क्वेश्चन में given है. Density is 1 grams per ml. So the answer come out to be 0.04 grams. So weight of the 1 drop of water is 0.04 grams. Now अब तो हमें सब पता ही है कि 1 mole of water is equal to 18 grams is equal to Na 0.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. तो 0.04 ग्राम्स में कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे? 6.022 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 डिवाइडेड बाई 18 इंटू 0.04. When we solve it, we will get it 1.338 for approximately 10 to the power 21 molecules. So, simple, by solving it, we can get the answer. I hope you have completely understood the concept of mole. Do the more practice questions to get the concept clear. Thank you.